why aren't there food oases everywhere in the parks and the public parks of the world? Why aren't there trees that bear fruit planted instead of evergreens or maple trees? You should speak to your elected officials. You should go around and plant fruit trees in parks. On the sides of the roads everywhere, there should be apple trees, pear trees, trees that bear fruit. If you're in the climate, you could plant things like mangoes and tropical fruit. We could solve starvation in our communities ourselves. We could solve hunger ourselves. No one would ever have to go hungry or starve in a community where there is a park that has fruit trees planted. It's that simple. And the fact that it doesn't happen today everywhere tells you everything you need to know about how diabolical the governments of your local areas are. If you planted a fruit tree right beside one of these evergreens or maples, they would have somebody from the city probably come and cut it down. So we need to be aggressive. You need to speak out. Go to your elected leaders. Go to your local officials. If you're a city worker or somebody who works in the city or can change these type of laws, then I recommend that you do that. All these parks of the world should be fruit parks, should be food parks. The only objection that I've ever heard that is meaningful is, well, who's going to clean up all the rotten fruit? The freaking animals. That's who. The animals are going to have something to eat. Humans will have something to eat. And more so than having to clean up some rotting pears or peaches, wouldn't it be nice to sleep at night knowing that no one in your community needs to starve? No one in your community needs to go hungry because you figured it out. You put on your big boy hat and figured out how to solve starvation and hunger in your own community. Wouldn't that be nicer to know?